what's up, my amazing craft artist? My name is I am Dee Dee's Crafts. My life, what is a craft artist. Hope you're having a great day. And it's fall, so I'll put some fall leaves out in the back. If I can show you without, there you go, There's the leaves. I put some fall leaves. Even though I don't like fall that much, I'm born in fall, but I hate fall. I'm a summer girl, spring girl. I wish I was born in summer and spring, but that's okay. That's another video at another time. I'm born in November, so yuck. And the birthstone, y'all. Oh, don't get me started with the birthstone. No, topaz. Oh. But anyways, I hope you having a great day today. Today is my second, did I say what second crafty studio vlog. I cannot wait to show you what I got today, what I ordered from Amazon. Me and Amazon are kind of be best friends right now. So this is going to be a fun video for you guys for my journey of owning my own small business. I have so much fun buying the things I bought. So let's get started. I'm thirsty. I went to Arby's today, you guys, and got me a drink. So let's get this vlog started. Welcome back to my crafty studio. I'm so excited to do this video. This is my second crafty studio video on YouTube. Bear with me, you guys. I'm not used to doing studio vlogs. Really, I don't have a studio at all, but I just have a little table right here in my room with all my crafting and my art supplies here. So I thought to myself, let's show some video of me ordering and buying things for my small business. My small business will be called Dee Dee's Crafts because I had lots of names for my business and I just settled on Dee Dee's Crafts. So that's another video at another time called The Craft Story. I'm working on that right now. So let's get started on everything I bought today in this beautiful vlog. I hope you guys like everything. So today I got some orders from Amazon, or not orders from Amazon, but I ordered things from Amazon. I had so much fun ordering this stuff. This is MUNBYN thermal label printer. Look at that bad boy. It's so cute. All the stuff I bought all the stuff, probably some of the stuff I bought a year and a half ago. Some I just bought a couple of days ago on October 1st of 2024. So some things are new, some things are not. And let's get started on this vlog and get you excited on some really cool things you need for your small business. So let's get started. I think I'm going to show you this thermal label that you need. Labels is this more choice for your more choice for your growing business. These are really cool. They're BPA, BPS free, and I have I think this is 500 or 1,000. I can't remember how many. I got 3 packs right now to start out with, and then I got these right here. They're really cool and awesome. I bought some really cool stickers, some thermal stickers that you can use these for thank you stickers, and I can't wait to use these. I'm gonna make sure I do some really cool designs for you guys. Just thank you, craft artists. And that's plus I love hearts, so I got the heart. There's so many different varieties of these on their website. So this is what it looks like. This is what, if you want to go see it. It says MUNBYN 3 heart thermal stickers. So yay, made in China. And then right here, I have some beautiful pink circles. I wish the circles were kind of smaller than this, but that's okay. I really wish they would make them a little bit smaller, but I like a good sticker this size. That's pretty good. And then also I got this size over here that's white. I love this. This is a white sticker that I'm going to be using. Maybe say do not disturb on it. I'm not sure, but I love it. This is what it looks like, you guys. And also over here, before I let you go, I'm going to show you this right here. I love this. These are pink too, kind of rectangle. So I'll show you more of the things I bought today. And I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, you guys. To show you is this MUNBYN thermal label printer, and I got it in pink. They have it in gray, white, and I think blue or green. I'm not sure what that color is, but this is a cute little box in it, and I got it in pink. I really wish if MUNBYN is watching this video, please, I would love if you made this in red. I only got pink because red and white make pink, so I just got the pink one instead, but we'll open this up in a second and show you everything. So let's get this open. I had so much fun. Let's turn this way. Let's see what the box looks like. This is like a 360 box. So yeah. MUNBYN, focus on every powerful moment. I love that statement. So simple, so elegant, and so wonderful. And then it says hello, like hello craft artists, hello entrepreneurship. I love that. Or business owners. And let's get this bad boy open to show you what it looks like when it's not in the box. Ooh, there we go. There we go, my favorite craft artist. Ooh, look at the inside. I'm so excited. So I'm going to tell you once again, I am not being sponsored by MUNBYN, even though I would like it, but that's okay. Thank you for having a great product, MUNBYN. I'm going to use this out. I'm going to test it out over the weekend. So I'm going to see what it looks like. I may film it. I may not film it. I don't know. Maybe I want to film it and show my journey of owning some products. So this is a label in 8x5 and 11 size, and they have 4x6 label. And this is what they got, the quick tips, which I think is wonderful to have something like that. And this is what it says, all the rules and not rules to do. And I don't know if we're supposed to show you that little thing right there, but there you go. So let's open this up and show you the rest of everything. Thermo label printer. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can open this up without doing anything crazy. Ooh, that's what it looks like in the packaging. I love it. Let's do a 360 on this. Ooh, let's open this bad boy. I just love it. Let me get a little bit back, a little bit closer. So yeah. Excited because it comes with cords. So I thought I'd just show the cords before I show anything else. That's with this cord, which I think is wonderful. I hate when stuff doesn't come with cords or adapters. And this has a guide. Thank you so much, MUNBYN, for doing the user guide, because some places don't even have user guides anymore. They don't even have directions. So those are the colors that I got. There's a white, gray, green, and pink. And now you have lavender. You skipped my color now, red. Hint, hint. But anyways, what else we got in here? Ooh, a power adapter, which I think is wonderful, you guys. Yes, because a lot of companies, a lot of boxes, a lot of electronics do not even have power adapters anymore. Thank you so much. Oh, I love that. That's what it looks like on the inside of the box. So let's put everything back in and show you the machine up close and personal. So, ooh, look how cute this looks. This is the top of it, MUNBYN. And this is everything. This is what it says. What's a WhatsApp app? I don't know what that is. WhatsApp app. And please comment down below if you know what it is. This is YouTube. And then it says, please keep this side up when uploading new papers, which I never used this before. This is going to be the first time unboxing this. Let's look at it. Ooh, the pretty pink button. And I really wish it was red, but that's all right. I can accept pink. It's in the same family. Ooh, look at the back where you plug everything up at. I love that so much. Thank you. This is a really good product. I can't wait to use this in my small business. So small business owners, you probably should buy one of these for yourself. It doesn't have to be this company, but if you do, so far I have no problems with this company. I bought a lot of supplies from them, and I'm so excited. So let's show you the rest I'm going to show you in this video. So, woohoo. Yes, MUNBYN. I love it. So cool. So let's put this back in the box, and I'll be back. I got the kit online. That's what I got. I got lots of them. Let's turn this way so I can show you without this falling. Oh, there it is. It goes that way. But I just want to show you this right here. What it is. It's a MUNBYN label holder for rollers, and it's new. It says it's made in China. And I got the pink one because this is before they had purple. Even though purple's a beautiful color, but I just love red. But this is what it looks like. Ooh, right? Label holder. And then this is what it looks like in the packaging. I don't know if I'm going to take it out or not, but this is what it looks like. So eventually I'm going to do a video setting this all up, but not today. So it's pretty in pink. That's what it looks like. And this is just the base part there that you use for that part to put your cool stuff on. So yay. That's really nice. Isn't it? Yeah, that's nice. So let's move on to this over here. Last but not least is you do have to use postal scales in your small business. So this is a wonderful one that I got. It's pink as well because I got the pink kick. And this is what you do to utilize it. You put it on top and you put it in the middle right there, and then you get all ready to weigh your stuff. This is what it looks like on the outside of the box, and this is what it looks like on this side. Let's see the box right here on this side. Let's turn this way so I can show you a little bit better. On this side, this is what it says. In case you want to buy it, it's a MUNBYN shipping scale, accurate. I think it says accurate 661 or I, new, made in China. That is the number if you need that number for anything. And let's just open it up on the side and show you everything. Look what it looks like, you guys. I absolutely love this. My voice is changing on you guys, but I love this so much, and it's pink. It comes with an adapter. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much, MUNBYN, for having an adapter. I just love it. I hate when companies don't have this. This drives me crazy. Thank you so much. And you actually have batteries. Thank you so much. You know, they're cheap batteries, but they're better than nothing. A lot of companies don't even put batteries in there no more. So, oh my goodness. I love that. And then here comes a measuring. There's a ruler that you need. That's what it looks like, you guys. Pretty. Let's take it out of the package and show. Ooh, it comes with a manual, which I love. Thank you so much. It's a postal scale, and it shows you everything in there. Oh, thank you so much. And let's open this up and show you. This is what it looks like. I love bubble wrap. You guys like bubble wrap? I love bubble wrap. So let's take this out. So this is what it looks like up close and personal. The manual it says at the bottom, user manual, and look at it, guys. It shows you everything you need, and I love that when they show you what you need: the batteries, a soft ruler, adapter, and this in the postal scale to scale on, so you can measure all your stuff or weigh all your stuff to make sure you get the right postage for your stuff, and it shows you the cable contacts. This is such a good idea to have. I'm glad you have this, and it's big enough we can see that the tiny little type you can be doing. Just technical data. Love this. And device, you know, beauties right there, weighing stuff. And that's what it looks. I've used one of these at a restaurant one time, but not this kind like this. But I've used these before to weigh the meat or the bread or the cheese or whatever. So cool, right? That's really cool. So that's just the manual. You may look at that if you want to when you get it. And then over here, back to the pretty pink. This is a pretty shade of pink, you guys. I love it. This is what it looks like. You put buttons on there and everything. That looks so cool. And it weighs everything for you. And I don't know what company I'm going to use to ship my stuff, because there's ShipStation, there's UPS, there's all kinds of places you can use to ship your stuff. And then let me show you a demonstration how to use this. Uh-oh, it's out of focus. Let me show you if I can find it. Like, you put this on top of there like this, and then you weigh it. You weigh your stuff. That's what you do. This is the styrofoam that I got, but this is going to be real light. So you want to weigh your stuff to make sure it's the right weight, and so you can have postage. I can't wait to use this, guys. I'm going to test it out and order some. I think I order some on my own website just to see how it works. That'd be so cool, wouldn't it? So I'm going to take it out a little bit more to show you if I can get it out without dropping. But look at this up close and personal. This is what it looks like on the side. The adapter will go, and this is the back of it right here. It's kind of bright, sorry. There's a scale, postal scale, and then this is really wonderful. I love it. It's just a great way to have in your business, you guys. So thank you for watching this video. I had so much fun showing the things I'm going to be using in my small business. This is going to be a journey, you guys. So hopefully you're having a great day. I love these thermal stickers right here that you can use, and all the stuff you're going to have in your video. So I just love it so much. Video in your business. Did you like it? Did you enjoy it? Did you have fun learning something new? If you have never heard of this company, MUNBYN, thank you so much, MUNBYN, for having great products. They did not sponsor this video. I'm going to say it throughout the video. I did not get sponsored, even though I would like to get sponsored one day, but that's okay. That's not the end of the world. I still like doing videos regardless if I get paid or not. I love it, even though I would like more subscribers, but that's not, I don't know if it's going to happen or not, but I'm changing everything on this channel, you guys. Everything's getting changed. I'm still going to do crafting, scrapbooking, and all that kind of cool stuff, but I'm still going to change this channel up a little bit. So that's why I decided to do some crafty studio vlogs. Crafty studio vlogs. That's what I want to call them. It's so funny. I just love doing these videos. I'm so happy that I bought this stuff on MUNBYN right here. All the stuff I would need for a small business or even a big business will might need this stuff too. So I had so much fun. Give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you back in another YouTube video. Click up there for notifications. I just love those leaves. Isn't it beautiful, you guys? Thank you so much. And keep crafting no matter what. Crafty vlog. Vlog.